Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to rearrange pages in PDF. So firstly, let's go to Adobe Acrobat. Now choose the PDF you want to rearrange. Now click on File, which is top right corner. Sorry, you have to click on this Tools, which is top left corner. This one, not File. You have to click on Tools. After click on Tools, you have to click on Organize Pages. Click on this, Open, and you can see all your pages is here. Now if you want to rearrange the pages, you have to drag and drop to the page and it will be here like this. Okay, you have to just drag and drop. So with the mouse you can do it easily. After that you have to click on close and your rearrange will be finished. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.